അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്നേഹപൂർവ്വം സ്വാഗതം. I would like to welcome everyone to a short presentation on role of the teacher in the digital era. Role of the teacher in the digital era. This is a very important topic. Now, what is education? Education is bringing out the best of the body, best of the mind and best of the spirit. The definition of education given by Mahatma Gandhi is very significant. By education, I mean an all-round drawing out of the best in child and man, best of the body, best of the mind and best of the spirit. It's perhaps the best definition of education. Education is not bringing information inside or passing information from the mind of the teacher to the mind of the learner. Rather, education is bringing out the best within the child, best of the body, best of the mind and best of the spirit. So teaching is actually mind power management. Teaching is managing human minds. The quote of Plutarch is very significant. Plutarch tells child's mind is not a vessel to be filled in, it is fire to be kindled. So the role of a teacher is kindling the fire inside. That's the role of a teacher. The creative role of a teacher is very significant. It is kindling the fire inside, the fire of thirst for knowledge, the fire of passion for seeking new things, the fire of looking at things from different perspectives. That's a fire inside, and the teacher's role is kindling the fire inside. So the impact of a teacher is phenomenal, dear friends. The impact of a teacher is really phenomenal. A teacher can affect eternity. The influence of a teacher is everlasting. The body language lessons given by a teacher in a 3rd standard, 4th standard class is retained by the person till he moves to the burial bed. Okay, till he moves to his grave, he keeps these things inside. He might forget the source, the teacher, he might forget the source, the teacher, but a person keeps these things till the grave. So that's really important. So the impact of a teacher is great. So teaching is perhaps one of the best careers. Teaching is a great career. Teaching is an outstanding career. Now, what about the digital teacher? Today our teacher is a digital era teacher, and we are surrounded by technology. Dear friends, we found out fire, a new technology. Did we do away with fire? No, we made advantage of fire, and fire changed our lives. What about wheel? Humans invented wheels. Now we advanced with that technology, the technology of wheels. So with digital technologies, gadgets, teacher has got definite advantage, and technologically competent teachers would definitely replace technologically weak teachers. That's what we are seeing today, and that's going to happen in the days to come. So what are the peculiarities of digital era teacher, and what can a digital era teacher do? Digital era teacher has got great scope, splendid scope. Okay, if you are a powerful digital era teacher, if you design a few courses, dear friends, if you can design a few powerful courses, you can retire in 2 or 3 years, because those courses would bring you income till you breathe your last. Small things. Madhuri Dixit is running an online course. She is getting very good income. If you are a dancer, you can give a course on internet on dancing. If you are an English teacher, you can teach English. Okay, it's very easy. You just develop some content and post it to internet, and people would choose for that course. Now, yesterday I saw a website how to drive a car. A course. 3,000 is the fee and discount fee is 700 rupees. And around 4,000 people have registered for that course in the last few years. Around 4,000 people registered for the course paying 700 rupees. So, the digital era possibility is really phenomenal. And what are the things that a digital era teacher can do? I would like to mention just 10 things now. A digital era teacher can do 10 things. Point number 1, store information with ease. The digital era teacher can store information with ease. In a pen drive, we can carry Britannia Encyclopedia. In a small pen drive, we can carry Britannia Encyclopedia. It's pretty easy. What do you feel? The hardbound encyclopedia or the pen drive online encyclopedia or the digital encyclopedia? Which is the best? Definitely the hardbound book has got some specific advantages. We can draw lines there, we can disagree with the ideas. Okay, there are specific advantages and a book can be a better friend than a pen drive. Still, if you want to find out something from the array of volumes of Britannia Encyclopedia, it takes time. But in the digital encyclopedia, you just browse for something, you search for something, the information is there. No wastage of time. Okay, now you can do plenty of things. And in the hardbound encyclopedia, can we hear audio? No. What about Mahatma Gandhi's video? Not at all. But in the digital Britannia Encyclopedia, we can watch the real Mahatma Gandhi doing the Quit India strike or maybe civil disobedience rally towards the seashore to develop some salt. These things we can observe Mahatma Gandhi. We can listen to his speech. Isn't it phenomenal? Really phenomenal. Okay. And what about having your PowerPoints? You can send all your PowerPoints in Google Drive. So if you are going to present a paper somewhere, you can go without anything or with your laptop, okay? Or even without laptop, you can go there and log into your internet and download the PPT from your Google Drive and you can present it there. It's very easy, okay? We can store information with ease and we can access information also with ease. It's pretty difficult to find out the notebooks in your home, but it's pretty easy to find out the PPTs in your lap. Okay, now that's the first thing. Now store information with ease. Now point number 2, retrieve information with ease. That's also pretty easy. We can retrieve information very fast. Now with 5G technologies, things are going to change. You can download your 5 GB video in 5 seconds with 5G. 5G is going to be introduced in India in 2021. 5 GB video can be downloaded in 5 seconds. That's what we are going to have in India. Okay, now, third thing, we can prepare anywhere, anytime. Just imagine that you have got a job in Mavelikara. You are teaching at Mavelikara. Okay, early morning you are going by train and you can prepare while you are traveling. Okay, you can do your PPTs, everything. Okay, I went to Chennai to present 2 papers in Stella Matutina and Meston College in national seminars. I delivered the keynote address. To be very frank with you, I prepared the PPT while I was traveling by train only. I prepared the PPT in the train. Okay, now we can prepare online. We can prepare anytime, anywhere. Now the fourth advantage is teach anytime, anything to anybody in any mode. The advantage of technology, we can teach anything. You can teach anything. To whom? To anybody around the world. Now any time, you can teach any time. According to your convenience, you can choose the time and you can use any modality. Maybe notes, maybe PPTs, maybe audio files, maybe videos, maybe multimedia content. Any modality is possible. That's the beauty of technology. Now point number 5, keep connected with the students. The technologically equipped teacher can maintain 24/7 connectivity with the students. Anywhere, anytime we can get in touch with the students. If the child has a problem at 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. at night, now where to download a file or how to present the paper next day, how to present the seminar next day. Now, just think of 10 years ago what would happen. He cannot present next day because he can meet the teacher next day only and talk to the teacher. Now, you can just WhatsApp, teacher, what should be my modality? Should I prepare a PPT? Immediately the teacher can reply, yes, PPT only. Or both are possible. You may give an oral presentation or PPT, that's fine. Okay, so continuous connectivity with the students, and there is splendid connectivity, 24/7 connectivity is possible with technology. Now, point number 6, we can keep connected with best teachers, best practices of the teachers. There are hundreds of teacher forums where teachers come together, share their informations, okay? And whenever we need a PPT, where would you go? In Google? Whenever we are in need of a PPT for something, where would you search first? Tell me aloud. Naturally, in SlideShare. In SlideShare, all the PPTs are available in SlideShare. You need not prepare all the PPTs. Okay. Now SlideShare is presenting, giving you all the PPTs, and if you happen to prepare a very good PPT, you can give it to SlideShare. They will publish it, and that will be used by lakhs. So teachers are connected now. There is a teacher in Tamil Nadu. She is very popular in YouTube. She teaches maths, innovative methods of solving mathematics problems. You can search in Google for the most popular mathematics teachers in Tamil Nadu. You just search it. Immediately you will be getting connected with this teacher, and she is really great, outstanding teacher, sending outstanding classes in mathematics learning, and she is changing mathematics into a game. Simple, easy techniques to solve mathematical problems. Now, keep connected with best teachers. Now 7, we can use gadgets. We can present in LCD projector. Okay, we can use a smart board. You can write something in the smart board and it will be exhibited by LCD projector. Okay, plenty of things. You see the PSC coaching. We can use some mirror technology. We can write somewhere and the visual would be really beautiful. Now a blackboard type of teaching will be exhibited in the video. New technologies we can use, new gadgets. Splendid opportunities are offered by technology. Now 8th one, we can document easily. We can take a photo of things. We can take a video of things. At the end of the class, we can have a photo of the drawings on the BB. Will you keep writing at the end of the class, or will you take a photo of the blackboard work of the teacher? What would you prefer? Definitely photo. That's a change happening in our classrooms. Now we can publish anything very easily. We can publish our ideas, publish our papers, publish our poems, publish our studies very easily. There's a beautiful poem, Aru Nyanaganam. Aru Nyanaganam Yennunni Chodikkilaragilum Nalladennuttaram. Beautiful poem. Now that poet became very famous through the recitation in the internet only. Beautiful poem, outstanding poem. The poet tells, okay, before your teacher you should be respectful always. Before your parents you should be a kid always. Achennum ammekkum eppozhum unni nee വളരാതെ ഒരു നല്ല കുഞ്ഞാവുക. അച്ഛനും അമ്മയ്ക്കും എപ്പോഴും ഉണ്ണി നീ, വളരാതെ ഒരു നല്ല കുഞ്ഞാവുക. That's the way the poem ends. We can publish our stories, our ideas, our articles, our videos anywhere, anytime. Anywhere, anytime. And in my channel, I have got 9,530 subscribers, dear friends. That's my channel is Magic Motivation. I started around 15 months ago. It's not a great channel. Still, I got this much subscription actually. Now, you can publish anything. This class, I would like to publish it soon. Today or tomorrow, I would like to publish this class online. Because we can publish anything, anytime. It's very easy. Okay, if you die today, your videos would be perennial. Till the universe ends, our videos would be watched by future generations. So very easy to publish things. Finally, we can access digital books. Digital books, we can access digital books. There are plenty of advantages with digital books. Can I mention a few advantages? Point number 1, we can search easily and identify the important part. We can search for words, we can bookmark, we can highlight, we can change the color of the text. You want it in green, okay, go green. If you want it in blue, go blue. Okay, whatever color you select, that would be the visual. And we can handpick a person to read the digital book also. There is a software by name Talkany. Is there anyone who is familiar with Talkany? A simple software, Talkany. If you type something, that would read it. Okay, now you can select male voice, female voice, old woman, old man, computer, bee. Which bee? Buzzing bee. Then the voice would be bee's voice. You can select the voice in Talkany. Whatever you type, the program would read it. Okay, now with digital textbooks, things are changing. Now, digital era teacher can use all these things. All these things can be beautifully used by the digital era teachers. Now I would